Yeah. So my friend out here again, I'm gonna try this some more now. I know we're gonna my belly is really too fat and I really need to get my belly down. Trust me, I'm really get this down a lot. Push up is a good way of doing, but a long time I don't do no push up. But if you want to try to do a push up right now, come right now, do try push up. You think it's gonna be really bad if you try to do a push up right now. Right now, I try to do some squats and try to see if we can make up my mind to get to the push up. So I'm gonna do right now. First, I'm gonna put my leg in my part like this, like I say, like this. And then we're gonna push up my bottom like this, like all the way like this as much. Forward like this. And then I go squat as I go. Right? And same thing. Right, and it's very important because when I record for a long time, so my body kind of stiff up like, yeah, real stiff. It's crazy. You see that?
I'm sold. I need to know exactly what that move is called. I need to get that move in my entourage. Tell me what that move is called.
What movie you talking about?
The move you're doing right now. I'm talking about the exercise move. But what is it?
I
I'm
wanna go.
sold. I like that. It looks so good. Can I help me? What's the name of the move?
What the name of this?
Yeah. What you call
The
it?
name Jamaica Magic City.
Yeah. Brooklyn, Jamaica Magic City it is. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna spread the word. Jamaica Magic City it is. Enjoy your day. Bye.
What the fuck is going on? You tell me? Crazy motherfuckers, you know? You see these motherfuckers? I do look a bit more than I'm leaving because I don't trust these people. They look so kind of weird around here. I don't know what them situation is. You know what I say? Yeah, so. Then nobody can even stretch your body in peace. Everybody I look, you can't even stretch your body in peace. You know what I say, my friend?
Yep.
I can't go in my house and do this. I better go home and do this shit because I don't like no intimidation from nobody. You know what I mean? Yeah, see. Yeah, so that helps the farmer. Feel like I got a hold on, hold on. Right, so you know, a little bit of something is better than nothing, as you can see. Right, baby, now?
Right.
Boy! Boy! Lord. Yes, baby. Some people, a little bit of something better, our girl.
Nothing.
Nothing at all. So, all them things I want me do to my body, you know. Sometimes I just do all kind of sitting to it. You know? And wake up your nerves them. Because sometimes, you know, your body gets so stiff. If you not exercise, you know? Your body gets so stiff. You know? Yeah, man. Your body gets stiff, right? Why? No man, I can't do a push-up. I'm really out of shape. It feel like say food when I eat that come up on my chest, but that's not me, I'm too much. No sir. Before I wait till the food so I can feel that one day. Yeah, so I'm feeling really good already actually. I'm feeling much better. Wow, come test it, bitch. Thanks. Wanna come fight, bitch? Wanna come fight, bitch? Yeah, still I feel the push up though. To get strong. Oh shit. Yeah. 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 You're my friend, what you say?
Good.
Boy. You wanna come fight with?